Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a juicy flavorful oven baked chicken drumsticks recipe. This is the easiest and most delicious crowd pleaser that comes together in no time. These chicken drumsticks are tender, juicy and packed with flavor, making them the perfect dish for any occasion. So if you guys love the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty ideas. So to get this delicious oven baked chicken drumstick recipe started, I've got my chicken drumstick. Also I've got 4 boneless skinless chicken thighs. These chicken thighs are beautiful. The drumsticks are beautiful. We're going to open the packet, take them out, show you guys what it looks like. And then we're going to continue with this juicy, flavorful oven baked chicken drumsticks recipe. Okay my beautiful friends, so to get this recipe started, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar to the bowl. We're going to add 1 lemon juice. We're going to clean these beautiful chicken drumsticks. Then we're going to get ready to season these beautiful chicken pieces. So you just want to clean off the extra hair of the chicken, those fat that's on the chicken. I usually take those off. Okay, I don't usually bake my chicken with those for some reason. I'm not sure if you guys do that, but this is not something that I do. So I usually just, clean as much as I can off the chicken. Make sure it's nice and clean, get the residue off and all the extra gooey stuff that's on the chicken, okay? So once the chicken is nice and clean, we're going to get all these beautiful seasoning ready, and we're going to season these beautiful chicken and continue with this flavorful, juicy oven baked chicken recipe. So now that these beautiful chicken drumsticks are nice and clean, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice onto the chicken. This is optional guys, but if you would like to have a flavorful oven baked chicken drumsticks, I would suggest add some lemon juice. Then we're going to proceed with these beautiful seasonings. So to season these beautiful chicken drumsticks, we're going to add my favorite all-purpose seasoning. Is going to give nice bright color to the chicken, and it's going to add nice flavor as well. Okay, we're going to add our ground black pepper and fine sea salt. If you have regular table salt, you can use it as well for this recipe. Then we're going to massage all the seasoning onto the chicken, and I don't forget my extra virgin olive oil. You also want to add that. This is going to keep the chicken nice and moist while it's baked in the oven. Now we are going to get our sauce ready. So this beautiful sauce, guys, comes together with low sodium soy sauce, Dijon mustard, extra virgin olive oil, and half cup of honey. That's all you need for this recipe, guys. We're going to add half of the sauce onto these beautiful chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks, and then we're going to mix very well to combine the sauce onto the chicken. We're going to cover the chicken, set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to get our veggies ready. So we're going to put that to the side. These are all the veggies that you need. Okay guys, so those are the veggies which we're going to use. We're going to use carrots, peppers, tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, thyme, spring onion, and lots of peppers. Now we're going to sprinkle our sea salt and ground black pepper on our veggies. Give it a very nice mix. So this is what our chicken looks like once it's fully marinated. We're going to place all the veggies on the chicken. So this is optional, guys. The veggies for this recipe is optional, but if you like your chicken with some veggies on the side, I would definitely suggest adding lots of carrots, peppers, or whatever veggies that you like. Okay, we're going to set this to bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So in the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to cover the chicken, make sure it's sealed completely. This is going to lock the moisture in the chicken, guys. So after baking for 1 hour, this is what the chicken looks like. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys, this chicken smells so good. Be very careful because it's very hot. We're going to scoop the sauce onto this beautiful chicken. We're going to place it back in the oven for 30 minutes. You guys see that beautiful chicken drumstick? It's bright, it has that nice brown color. So that's what this seasoning does, guys. It gives the chicken a nice color. These beautiful chicken drumsticks smell so good. The sauce smells amazing, guys. And as you guys can see right there, the veggies complement the entire chicken recipe. It gives a nice color. The flavor is popping, and that's how you want your chicken drumsticks to look once it's baked. Okay, so like I said, we're going to place this back in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I am going to show you guys the final results of this juicy, flavorful oven baked chicken drumsticks recipe. So after baking for another 30 minutes, this is the final result of this juicy, flavorful oven baked chicken drumsticks recipe, guys. This recipe came out so beautiful. It was juicy, the flavor was packed, and it was amazing. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like and share for more delicious and tasty ideas, and I hope to see my beautiful YouTube friends in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.